Hey everyone, it's Pink Girl, and right now I'm going to be opening the new Girl of the Year Lea Clark. Yay! So when my dad told me that the box came, I had to fight the urge to scream because my mom was working. And yeah, I'm just going to be opening her so you guys can see what the new Girl of the Year looks like. So yes, let's get this package opened. Yay! Okay, so I cut through the box, and oh my god, Lea Clark magazine with all her stuff, which I already have this magazine, so yeah. And then, I don't know what this is. Some free issue, plus some bonus gifts. I got some thingamajig. Ooh, they gave me stickers! Okay, so by the way, I ordered her online, so it took her a little bit. It took her like a couple of days to get here, which seemed like 50 weeks for me because, you know, I was very excited for her. And the beautiful Lea is in here. Let me show you guys. So she's in this fabulous box, and I got the Lea Clark doll and her books, and it says Girl of the Year Lea Clark, and I love the box. I think it's really cute how they did purple with the stars, but I think if they were to design a better box for her, they would have put like yellow on it with like floral design, since a lot of her stuff is nice and bright and stuff, and she kind of reminds me of Julie, so yeah, because she's bright. So let me take the box out of the bigger box. Wow. Okay, so I'm gonna take Lea out. Lea's like on her side now. Okay, I got her out. And some packaging thingamajig. Okay, so let's open her up. Okay, so the lid and her book. Oh my god, it just poured out of this thing. Okay, so let me show you what was in that. Oh, she's so cold. Oh no, Lea. Okay. Okay. So it's this really, really cute compass necklace thing. And I love it. It's adorable. So let me open this up. Let's see what this is. It's really cute and doll-sized. And yeah. And does the arrows actually turn on this? Yep, the arrows actually turn on this cute little compass. And then one of my favorite accessories that she has, this bag, and the button parts are Velcro. And inside there's nothing, but it can hold room for all her little stuff to go on tons of adventures. And then her book, Lea Dives In, which I can't wait to start reading. And yeah, it's how many pages? It's 151 pages. So yeah, so this is what came in this container thingamajig. So yeah, now time to open Lea. So we're going to be opening her right now. Okay, so I have Lea, and she has a bunch of stuff on her arms. And I kind of, when I look at the dolls as I'm opening them, I kind of feel really bad for them because they're all wrapped up. So, yeah. So I'm cutting her legs out. Ooh, her shoes are so cute. Okay. So, oh my god, I hate the neck ring. Jeez. They need to find a better way to package this. I'm very afraid that I'm going to break her neck off. Okay, wait, I see it. Okay. Wait a minute. Oh, you cannot see what I'm doing at all. Okay. Her hairnet. Oh my god, she looks like a lunch lady. Oh, my hair. Okay. Let's see. I'm trying to take her out of this. Wait. Oh, the scissors. Okay. Alright. Her hair. Okay. So, I got Lea out of the box. So, I finally have Lea out, and she is so cute. And I'm gonna review her now. Okay, so Lea has the prettiest greenish hazel eyes. And her hair is, I'm afraid to take it out of the hairnet right now, but I'm going to anyway so I can review her. And, yeah, so let's see. I don't want to, like, get the hairnet stuck in her. Okay, so this is a little hairnet. And her hair is so soft and blonde, and I love it. And then she has green underwear. Oh, this plastic. They put plastic on her legs. I have to take that off. Okay, wait. Technical difficulties. Okay. And the dress, I love it, and it has a little belt, which is so cute, and it's attached onto it. And then the shoes are bluish with some stripes, little things. So I can't wait to go film with Lea because she is so pretty, and I can't wait to have all kinds of adventures with her and read her books. And if you're wondering, her full name is Lea Clark. Lea Ann, Lea Ann, whatever you want to call her. And yeah, so I'm so excited to play with Lea. And yeah, don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe. I'll see you all next time. Bye.